Hi, good evening to everyone. Myself Srivardhini from Civil IDP second year, and today my topic is types of batteries, MCB, ELCB, and MCCB. I'm going to explain about the applications, and also my contents are the introduction about the batteries and primary battery and secondary battery, and also MCB, MCCB, ELCB switches and those applications. Let us know what is battery. The battery which converts the mechanical energy into the electrical energy is called as a battery. There are many kinds of batteries, and for example, it's a primary battery. Primary battery is nothing but it's a non-rechargeable battery. When the battery is already used, we cannot reuse the battery is called as primary battery. And they cannot be recharged, and you can say it's a single cycle battery. The single cycle battery, which means that it cannot be reused, it is used only once, and it is consist of chemicals inside it consumed with the time and use, and once it is fully drained you need to dispose of it. And also the example of primary batteries are alkaline batteries. The alkaline batteries which drives the energy of the reaction called as zinc metal and also manganese oxide, and we name it as it as alkaline battery. We use instead of battery like acid electrolyte, and we use alkaline electrolyte like potassium hydroxide in this is the best example of the primary battery. And also the difference between primary and secondary battery is the secondary batteries are rechargeable batteries, which are multi-cycle batteries. When the battery is already used, we can reuse it. And the batteries which are cycles of recharge. And we mostly use these batteries in EVs, phones, automobiles, portable gadgets, and etc. in many different areas. The difference between the primary and secondary battery is nothing but the primary batteries cannot be reused or recharged, and it is non-rechargeable, and the secondary battery means that it can be recharged and it is reusable. This is the difference of primary and secondary battery. And let us know about the MCB. MCB means that it is a miniature circuit beaker, which is called as MCB. It is a kind of switch, which is an automatical switch, electrical switch, designed to protect from circuits when the voltage is overloaded or the current is overloaded. For short circuits, this MCB switch is used automatically flow of current. Okay, and this is the above picture. It is shown. The switch is represented like this, and it is used to protect from the short circuits. And also ELCB. ELCB means that earth leakage circuit beaker, and it is known as residual current circuit, and it is used for the safety device for the electrical circuits which interrupts current. And when the current is misplaced or fault current, it flows to the ground, preventing the electric shocks and fires. When this ELCB's current is applied or it is overloaded, it prevents from the electric shocks and fires is called as ELCB. And the difference between MCB and ELCB is nothing but which are used both for only safety purpose, and this is used for the shocks, for the prevention of shocks and fires, and it is used for the prevention of overload or short circuits. And let us know about the picture. We can see the picture as usual. The terminal is represented upside, and then the sensitivity of switching devices in down of that, and we can test the switch by the test button, and we can see the leakage display and how to handle it also we can see here. This is the handle, and the overcurrent tripping device, if it is overcurrent, it is going to protect it from the shocks and fires. And that's it. Next, for the MCCB, it is used for the when the current is in high voltage or over voltage, over current. It is used for the safety purpose. When the current is overloaded, it may have chance of short circuits, and this MCB switch is going to prevent them from the short circuits and overload. This is called an MCCB. And let us know the picture of the MCCB, and we can see the picture, and this is the kind of we can see the MCCB. Next, we are going to see about the applications on MCB, MCCB, and ELCB. Here, MCB is used for new construction because MCB is only used to prevent the short circuits or overloads, and it is used for all the beginning purposes and the new construction instead of older type of fuses. The fuse is very newly, and the circuit breaker are small device used to control and protect the electrical panel. They are used to control and protect the electrical panel and the devices from overflowing or electrical powers. And then ELCBs are commonly installed at homes because when the current is overloaded or the voltage is overloaded, we can, for example, we have a house is construction of with very over currents or over voltages. When the sudden current is when the voltage of the current increases or the current increases in high voltages, the ELCB types of switches are used to prevent us from them for a safe living environment is called as an ELCB. And also they are used for the protection for industrial machines, large motors, generators. For example, we can see we are having generators any in function halls, any kind of, they are going to protect us from the high voltages and high currents. To prevent all of them from all the high voltages and high currents is called as power systems, and also the backup power systems. These are the applications of MCCB and MCCB ELCB. As I explained, the types of batteries and also the contents of those and applications also. This is my topic, and I've explained all applications and also types of batteries and primary, secondary. There are many kinds of batteries like lithium-ion battery, zinc-air battery, which are considered under the secondary batteries. The lithium-ion batteries are mostly used in vehicles. This is my topic, and thank you.